The MINIX B21 is by far one of the best wireless dongle setup that I have ever seen. It has a very functional and smart design with really impressive performance to the point where there is hardly any wait time when it comes to switching between the connected devices. These are Type-C to HDMI dual dongles which come very neatly packed in this squarish black and blue box. These support a maximum of 1080p or full HD resolution, which should be sufficient for most people, and it does support the latest iPhone models as well. Company and model branding along with a lot of highlights can be seen on almost all of the sides of the box. What sets this dongle apart from the crowd is that these are simple plug and play dongles, and we do not need to install any sort of third-party apps or drivers on our devices in order to mirror or extend the displays. We don't even need Wi-Fi or internet for these to work, and these offer a wide connectivity range of 50 meters, which is just fantastic for presentations or something of that sort in large halls or areas. In the box we get some paperwork, a 1 meter long USB type A to C cable, one RX dongle and two TX dongles, RX being the receiver and TX being the transmitter dongles. Yes, this unit has two transmitter dongles which can be used to connect to two different devices one at a time to either mirror or extend the displays to any external device, be it a monitor, a TV, or even a projector. Looking at the dongles a bit more closely now, we can notice that while the RX dongle has a short 4-inch cable pre-connected to the standard HDMI port, the TX dongles on the other hand have even shorter 2-inch cables connected to their Type-C ports. And yes, these short cables are flexible enough, and the quality of all three of these dongles is really great, just like every other MINIX product that I've reviewed so far. All three dongles are mostly made up of good quality plastic material and are really lightweight, where the RX dongle is just 3 grams heavier than the TX dongles, probably due to the difference in cable lengths. All three dongles get a Type-C port at the bottom as well. While they differ in terms of the cable lengths, the dongles or the main units themselves are quite identical when we consider their size and shapes. The only way to really tell them apart are of course the different cable lengths and the RX and TX logos right at the center, which are also buttons to either switch between the connected devices or even to pair extra transmitter dongles. We get a bit of information at the rear of all the dongles, and ventilation holes are all over the place. Here's my phone, the Samsung S24 Ultra. For size reference, these are almost as thick as my phone with the MagSafe case on. Alright, now let's try connecting these dongles and see how they perform. First, I'll be using this portable monitor by MINIX to connect to two of my Samsung S series phones that have the Samsung DeX feature, the S20 FE and the S24 Ultra. And hopefully we should be able to see both of them working here on the big screen. Let's first connect the RX dongle to the monitor here, which can be inserted directly in the HDMI port. Unlike the two TX dongles we get, this RX dongle does need an external power source in order to operate, which is why we get the one and only USB type A to C cable. So let's connect the Type-C end here, and the other end can go to any USB-A port, be it on any wall adapter or a power bank, or even on the one that we have here on the right side of this portable screen. All three options would work just the same. Now let's connect one of the TX dongles to one of my phones here, and ideally Samsung DeX should start up all on its own almost instantly. And look at that, we now have Samsung DeX working on my portable monitor within just a few seconds, which is just amazing. And this just basically makes things really convenient for me, where now all I need here is the MINIX B21 dongle in order to access any document on the go on a much bigger screen. And as for the lag or latency, there is hardly any, as you can see here. Everything works just perfectly without much delay. But we're not done just yet, since we still have one more dongle to connect. Let's first exit Samsung DeX here in order to enter the screen mirroring on this phone, so that we can easily differentiate between these two dongles going forward. So now let me connect my other phone as well. And just so you know, you can use your latest iPhones as well to mirror your phone display on any screen. As you can notice, we do not see Samsung DeX for this second phone on my portable screen here. And the simple reason for that is because this screen is already connected to our first dongle here. So in order to view the Samsung DeX of the second phone on this screen, all we need to do here is press this small button. And sure enough, Samsung DeX appears here as well, all on its own, and the switch between the two was absolutely seamless and instant, which is super impressive, at least for me. I mean, I can go on and switch between these two devices all day long without worrying much about any flickering or technical issues. It's just fantastic. Until now, everything is really great, to be honest, but we still haven't tested two things on these dongles. The first of which is, what does this button do? Here on the receiver, if you single tap this button, then absolutely nothing happens, as you can see. However, if you press and hold this button for a few seconds, we are greeted with a pairing timeout, which I'm pretty sure is to pair even more transmitters to this receiver, which is because the MINIX B21 allows us to pair a maximum of 4 different transmitters with just this single receiver. However, you will have to purchase the other transmitters separately if your requirement is for more than 2 devices, that is, which is usually not that common. And as for the other thing that we still need to test are these Type-C ports below the transmitters. What are these for? Well, these can be used to simply charge your phones while you extend your phone's display on any screen, which will then allow you to work for extended hours without having to worry about the loss of battery on your phones, which is absolutely great. And you don't really need to worry about these dongles getting too hot either. They do get a bit warm to the touch after a while, but nothing too hot to handle, which is good. And as you would have guessed by now, these dongles can be used to connect to even your laptop or TV or even a projector, which can once again be used to either mirror or extend the displays. That can be pretty useful in cases where you use both your phone and your laptop to connect to the same external display. And the fact that these dongles have a wide range of 50 meters, this is going to be a heck of a deal, especially for working professionals or presenters to display their presentations on a much bigger screen. So after testing these dongles for quite some time now, I have to say I'm really impressed with them. Not only do they add a lot of convenience to my setup, they also manage to easily get rid of any excess cables or wires that I would need otherwise, and of course they simply do add to the portability for basically anyone. So yes, I would 100% recommend the MINIX B21 dongle to you. At the time this video is being recorded, the MINIX B21 can be yours for just under $110 and for reference purpose, my B21 was delivered to me in about 7 days time without any hassles whatsoever. By the way, you can check out my review for this MINIX portable monitor, the SF16T here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye.